Doctors don't openly talk about this, but research shows that when fiber intake is low, movement is limited, and processed foods are high, waste can move slowly through the colon and build up over time, and you may not even realize it. You wake up feeling heavy, your clothes feel tighter, and even after using the bathroom, it doesn't feel completely clear. Then come the bloating, brain fog, and low energy. You assume it's just aging. But what if the real issue is simply a sluggish digestive rhythm? Today, I'm going to reveal 7 natural drinks that don't force your body like harsh laxatives do, but instead gently support and activate your digestive system. And number 2, many people say that after drinking it, they began to notice a lighter feeling and smoother bowel movements within just a few days. That's why I say try it yourself and observe your body for 3 days. Pay attention to how you feel. You might finally notice the difference you've been missing. If you're over 40 and want to reset your body from the inside out, don't ignore this information, because when digestion improves, your entire system performs better. Drink number 1: warm lemon water, the doctor-approved morning cologne starter. A glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice is one of the most effective natural ways to gently stimulate digestion and support colon health. Studies show that morning hydration after overnight fasting improves intestinal motility and helps prevent slow bowel movements. Lemon juice stimulates bile production in the liver, which is essential for fat digestion and efficient toxin breakdown, while supporting metabolic activity. Research also highlights that the flavonoids and vitamin C in lemons reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the gut, promoting a healthier intestinal lining. Warm water itself relaxes smooth muscles in the digestive tract, aiding natural peristalsis without the need for laxatives. Taken daily on an empty stomach, this combination helps reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and establish a natural digestive rhythm, making it a safe, evidence-based colon reset strategy recommended by nutritionists and gastroenterologists alike. Drink number 2: chia seed water, the 3-day noticeable effect drink. Chia seeds are a natural powerhouse of soluble fiber, known for their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance in the gut, which supports smooth bowel movements. Research shows that soluble fiber increases stool bulk, softens consistency, and promotes regularity without causing cramping or dependency. Chia seeds also support gut microbiota by providing prebiotic nutrients, improving nutrient absorption and digestive efficiency. Consuming 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds in water daily can gently stimulate the colon, reduce bloating, and promote a lighter, more comfortable feeling. Many people report noticeable improvements in bowel regularity within 3 days, making it one of the most effective natural colon-supporting drinks. Additionally, chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals, contributing to overall digestive health and metabolic balance. Drink number 3: aloe vera juice, the gut soother. Aloe vera juice is widely recognized for its soothing effects on the gastrointestinal tract. Studies indicate that aloe vera can reduce intestinal inflammation, support gut lining repair, and improve mild constipation by gently stimulating peristalsis. Its natural polysaccharides feed beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice diluted in water a few times a week helps regulate bowel movements, relieve bloating, and maintain colon health without harsh laxative effects. Aloe's antioxidant compounds also reduce oxidative stress in the digestive system, supporting overall gut function. This makes it a safe, evidence-based approach recommended by gastroenterologists for gentle, daily digestive support and long-term colon maintenance. Drink number 4: ginger plus warm water, the digestive activator. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive stimulant used for centuries in traditional and modern medicine. Clinical research shows that ginger accelerates gastric emptying, reduces bloating, and alleviates discomfort associated with slow digestion. Boiling fresh ginger in water and consuming it after meals can enhance peristaltic activity in the intestines, improve nutrient absorption, and support regular bowel function. Its bioactive compounds, such as gingerols, also reduce inflammation in the gut and oxidative stress, promoting a healthier intestinal lining. Ginger water works gently and naturally, making it a doctor-approved drink to improve digestive rhythm, reduce bloating, and maintain colon health without any dependency or harsh effects. Drink number 5, Psyllium Husk Drink, the Fiber Booster. Psyllium husk is a soluble fiber clinically proven to regulate bowel movements and support colon health. It absorbs water in the gut, forming a gel that softens stool, increases bulk, and encourages smooth, natural elimination. Studies show psyllium can improve constipation, reduce bloating, and maintain digestive regularity over time. Drinking 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk in a full glass of water daily, followed by an extra glass, helps prevent slow transit in the colon while supporting healthy gut microbiota. Psyllium also aids cholesterol management and stabilizes blood sugar, adding systemic health benefits beyond digestion. This makes it a highly effective, research-backed natural solution for maintaining a healthy digestive rhythm safely and consistently. Drink number 6, Apple Cider Vinegar Drink, the Digestive Tuner. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, contains acetic acid and bioactive compounds that support digestion by enhancing stomach acid production, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Research indicates that ACV can modestly improve post-meal digestion, reduce bloating, and promote a balanced gut environment. Consuming 1 tablespoon of raw ACV diluted in a glass of water before meals can support proper enzymatic activity, prevent slow digestion, and maintain a healthy colon over time. ACV also has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that help maintain gut microbiota balance. When used regularly in a gentle, diluted form, it serves as a safe, doctor-backed digestive tonic, supporting overall gastrointestinal health without causing harsh laxative effects. Drink number 7, Prune Smoothie, the Natural Motility Support. Prunes are rich in fiber, sorbitol, and phenolic compounds, making them a natural, mild laxative recognized in clinical studies for supporting regular bowel movements. Blending soaked prunes into a morning smoothie provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, which softens stool and stimulates peristalsis gently. Sorbitol draws water into the colon, easing elimination, while antioxidants protect the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Daily consumption can relieve mild constipation, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestive rhythm without harsh chemicals or dependency. Prune smoothies also supply vitamins, minerals, and natural energy, making them a holistic, doctor-approved approach to maintain colon health and promote natural, consistent bowel function. Now you know the 7 natural, doctor-backed drinks that can gently reset your digestive system, support colon health, reduce bloating, and improve your energy from the inside out. Remember, it's not about harsh laxatives or quick fixes. It's about consistency, hydration, and giving your body the nutrients and fiber it truly needs. Start with warm lemon water in the morning, try chia seed water for that 3-day noticeable difference, and rotate the other drinks to see how your body responds. Pay attention to how lighter, energized, and balanced you feel over time. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based tips that actually work. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being. Take action today.